The girl was bathing at home. Suddenly someone knocked on the door. She opened it and saw that it was her food order that had been arrived. When he said thank you and wanted to close the door, the delivery man he stopped her, blocking the way. While she was confused, he looked at her up and down strangely. He said he forgot to hand her the drink. She took the drink and closed the door, under the man's disturbing gaze. This made the girl feel very insecure, so he looked through the peephole in the door. She discovered that the delivery man was spying on her. She got very scared. The delivery man realized that he had been discovered. The girl closed all the locks in her house. Throughout the next day, the young woman lived immersed in fear. When he woke up the next day, he called a technician to repair the air conditioning. But after finishing the job, the technician asked her if she lived alone. This scared the girl a lot, so he told her that he shared the apartment with someone else. The technician immediately noticed that she was nervous. He approached her step by step in a threatening manner. The girl had to take out her cell phone. He threatened to call the police for help. Only then did the technician get cold feet. He quickly left the house. This did not calm the girl's anxiety. He looked through the peephole in the door again. He saw that the technician was writing down his house number. She was very terrified, and he did not dare to leave his home. Shortly after, the sound of the door woke her up again. When he was about to open it, he decided to look through the peephole first, but he didn't see anyone outside. The girl returned to bed to try to sleep, but he heard someone knocking on the door again. This seemed very strange to him. He looked through the peephole again, but I still didn't see any people. The girl returned to bed shaking with fear, and the sound at the door began once again. Suddenly the door opened. The girl woke up with a jump from the nightmare. From outside came the voice of a friend. She finally calmed down and opened the door. Because of everything that happened, she hugged her friend crying. Upon entering the room, the girl told her friend everything that had happened. The friend promised to stay and live with her. Just when the girl felt safe, someone knocked on the door again from outside. "Thank you.